Welcome to Dataddo, the platform that moves your data from any source to any destination. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Google Ads to Google's Looker Studio using Dataddo. If you don't already have a Dataddo account, create a free account using the link in the description. Once you're on the home screen of the app, click the Flows tab at the top. Then click Create Flow and give your flow a name. A flow in Dataddo is a connection between a data source and a data destination. Google Ads will be my source, so I'll click on the left side of my flow to create it. Click Create Source and choose the Google account and Google Ads account you want to connect. Then you'll choose the metrics and attributes you want to extract. I am going to be working with campaign data, and the pre-selected metrics are the ones I want. I am going to use the campaign name as my attribute. I am not interested in any segments for this example, and I don't need to filter anything. If you want, you can test your source data to make sure everything looks all right before extraction. I am using a dummy account, so all we see is zeros. Then, I will choose my sync frequency. Under our free forever plan, you can sync data weekly. Under our paid plans and 14-day free trial, you can sync it more often. Then click Save and your source is ready. Next, I'll click on the right side of my flow to create my destination. Find Looker Studio in our connector library. Before you finish, you can preview your data and set any data quality rules for monitoring and filtering. After you've created your flow, the final step is to configure Looker Studio to receive your data. Copy our API key, paste it into Looker. My Looker account is already connected, so I am skipping this step. Select the flow you just created, click Connect, and then click Create Report. I can find my data under the campaign name attribute, which I selected during source creation. Again, I am using a dummy account, so all we see here is zeros. You, however, should now be ready to start analyzing your data.